In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Mawlavi Atiqul Azizi, the Deputy Minister of Culture and Arts of the Ministry, met with His Excellency Brendan, the head of the UNESCO. The first ever exhibition of miniature and pointillism artworks titled Noon wa Nuqta in a period held in Herat province. And at least 67 Palestinian children martyred in Israeli attacks following the ceasefire. Welcome to today's news package. It's Saturday, the 1st of Jamadi Usani 1447, the 1st of August 1404, and 21st of November 2025. The news details. Mawlavi Atiqul Azizi, the Deputy Minister of Culture and Arts at the Ministry of Information and Culture, met with Brandon, the head of the UNESCO, as well as the organization's Director of Cultural Affairs, and Yomuchi, a Japanese historical and cultural expert. During the meeting, Mawlavi Azizi described UNESCO's historical and cultural projects aimed at preserving and strengthening Afghanistan cultural heritage as highly valuable. He also expressed appreciation for the efforts of Japanese historical and cultural experts in safeguarding and restoring Afghanistan's historical and cultural sites. At the conclusion of the meeting, both sides emphasized the need for practical and effective steps in the protection and restoration of Afghanistan historical sites, the organization and of cultural seminars, the development of artistic programs, and the strengthening of capacity within the cultural sector. For the first time, an exhibition of miniature and painting artworks titled Noon wa Nuqta in a period was held in Herat province. Based on the organizers, 230 large and small pieces, including paintings, miniature design, and creative works produced through pointillism, were showcased. They stated that the purpose of the exhibition is to introduce the authentic art of pointillism and to encourage the younger generation to learn and preserve indigenous artistic traditions. The news continuation. The construction work process on 12 water supply networks valued approximately 37 million Afghans has begun in Bamiyan Center and Yakovlang district in the presence of Mullah Muhammad Yunus Ahundzadeh, the Minister of Rural Rehabilitation and Development. The ministry states that once completed, the network will provide more than 5,000 people with access to safe drinking water. And finally, the United Nations Children Fund UNICEF has announced that following the declaration of a ceasefire in Gaza Strip, at least 67 Palestinian children have been martyred in the attacks carried out by the Israeli regime. Last month, UNICEF had reported that since October 2023, around 64,000 children in Gaza Strip have been martyred or injured as a result of Israeli assaults. We have reached the end of our news program. Further informative materials are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.